the exclusive conversation. Let's in the meantime talk about what's happening as far as this encounter that has now been reported in Udhampur, where two terrorists, the information coming from Jaish, have now been neutralized, and the big success coming in for our security forces for this joint counter-terror operation that has been carried out. Security agencies have confirmed that operation that was said to be in progress, that involved coordinated action by multiple security units, and officials say that a fierce gun battle broke out after forces established contact with the terrorists, following which the area was cordoned off and to prevent any movement. What are we looking at, Ankit, as far as there are certain deferred pictures also coming in of these dreaded terrorists that have now been neutralized in this anti-terror operation?
Yes, absolutely. This is a big success for the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the Indian Army and the security forces. What we are learning is that a top Jaish commander has been also neutralized in this encounter. This operation was known as Operation Kia. This was intelligence-based input that the security forces got yesterday. Brief exchange of fire took place, and today security forces has got the big success. Two Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists has been neutralized. What we are learning is that the top Jaish-e-Mohammed commander Mavi has also been neutralized by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the Indian Army. This is a total clean operation by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the security forces. M4 rifle, AK series rifle, arms, ammunition, grenade has also been recovered by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the security forces in this area. What we are learning is that in Basantgarh area, this is a general area, Basantgarh, Jofar is the location where the brief exchange of fire took place. It is a dense forest area. There was many challenges, but this is a major success for the security forces.
Well, a successful operation there for our security forces that has been carried out, and what is being said that arms and ammunition that has also been recovered from the area where these terrorists, two dreaded Jaish terrorists, have now been encountered. They have now been neutralized. Ankit, thank you very much for the moment. Back after a short break. You're watching.